Today you will see an interesting case of instant restenosis, the blocked stent in LAD, as you can see here. And it was a very top plaque, calcified artery and long segment stenosis. And the wiring to this steno segment was very difficult. It took a lot of time to cross the lesion, and it took a lot of technique, the reverse technique. First we go to the distally, then come with a different wire. As you can see, I have taken two floppy wire, we could not pass, then an intermediate which could not pass. It was significantly buckling up, reflecting a very tough nature of the plaque. And then I changed to whisper wire again, which failed to cross it to 100. And ultimately I took a Gaia that you can see here, Gaia second next, which crossed the lesion. And then also I was not sure that I had gone through the stent strat or not, or through the lumen. And then I did an IVAS and checked that it is true lumen in fact. Then took a balloon to dilate the segment. As you can see, I kept another wire in the diagonal, and after that I initially thought of doing a DEB, but considering the long segment stenosis and highly calcified plaque, I decided to go for a stent. As you can see, a long stent. It was very difficult to take the stent, but it was done successfully. Then I did a pre-dilatation, as you can see, and the branches are patent, and the results were really excellent. Here lies the importance of taking proper instrument, proper wire, and proper imaging. Thank you very much. Keep watching, keep subscribing.